Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I will be showing you how to copy Waze a link. So in order for you to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to waze.com, and now from here on the Waze guys, the first method that you could try is if you want to share a specific location. For example, I am going to share this location over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click on a specific location over here. And now I could just simply right away select share over here, and I could share the destination over here, or I could share the map, or I could even embed a map if I am building a website. Now, another option that you could have is you could just simply choose a starting point, and right after that, once you have provided a starting point, just simply provide the location over here. So, for example, I'm going to go for Baguio. And now from here, once I have done that, as you can see, in order for you to share the link, you should be able to see here, share. So from here, I should be able to share this specific route over here. So pretty much you could just simply select the share icon over here on the left side of the screen. And when people click on this, you should be able to automatically have this route that I have provided for them. And pretty much this is the best option that you have in order for you to share the location or the route. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.